Just like him, just up him, it's Yahia Champ 21.
What's up YouTubers, today's Yahia Champ 21. I am back with another video. How are we all doing today? I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Welcome back to another vlog where we go to every town, city, village in Scotland. Today we've arrived at Skelmorlie, and as you can see right behind me we have got the beach. Yep, so this is it for you. I am very excited to start this. It's actually next to Wemsby that we did back in November. So yeah, I'm quite excited as I just said. Make sure you watch the whole video so you're going to get a great tour of this place. So without further ado, let's get this vlog started with.
And there's the proof that we're right next to Wemsby. We've got the ferry over there.
Right guys, so here we've got the beach. I know I already showed you it, but I just want to show you another look at it, and I'm not going to go down there because it might be a struggle to get back up. There's the ferry that I filmed when I was at Wemsby. But yeah, so here you have it guys, and if we by any chance get a better view at it, we'll show you it later on. So let's move on. We're actually going to the church which is right across the road, so let's go. Right guys, so we've arrived to the church in Skelmorlie. So as you can see, you've got a CCTV camera over there. I don't know why, but you've got a nice logo over here. I can't really tell you much about this, but if you do really want to know, then they actually have their own YouTube and Facebook, if you want to have a look at that. So I'll show you around it. So as you can see, we've just got the red doors over here. Sunday worship 11:30. Then we've just got the stained glass windows. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's closed today, of course. It's Friday actually. So yeah, that's all I can show you from that. Let's move on to our next destination. Right guys, so we have arrived to the bowling club here. Estimated 1895. Let's walk in. Oh, nice gate over here. Gonna walk in. There's nobody here guys, so don't worry about it. So yeah, there's just a wee bench over here, probably for fans or something like that. I'm not really too sure about that, but as you can see, it's just really green, and you can actually see they have a Scotland flag here, but it's not actually all the way up. So yeah, and then here you go. You've just got the lockers over here, the door. So let's walk up. I can actually see the beach from here. Pretty much see the beach everywhere we go. Here we can still see it from here, as you can see. There you have it. There it is. So yeah, we're gonna move on. That's all I can really show you here. There's nothing really much else to show. So yeah, let's go on to our next location. Right guys, we have arrived to the Skelmorlie Golf Club. So as you can see, it's very big, and you can actually see the beach from here. Again, another view, and down there you can actually see Wemsby. You can just see there's the house at the main entrance where you have to pay, etc. like that. Just go down here, and as you can see, it's very big. I think here's a wee area just down there where you can play golf. Don't know if that's for younger people or something like that whatsoever, but yeah. Here you have it. Well, that's it from the golf club. There's nothing really else I can show you. And up there just next to the house is actually just like a cafe or something like that, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I'm off to my next location and I will see you there. Right guys, so we've arrived to the Skelmorlie Caravans. So there's plenty of ones here, and you already know that Wemsby have them as well. Wemsby to this place, which I kind of like it as well. So I'm gonna go up, see if there's like anything up there apart from the reception, of course. Let's have a wee look. So as you can see, there's just a lot of caravans over here. So let's go up, see what we can find. So there isn't really much I can show you. There is no park or anything like that here, sadly, but there is a tent here. I don't know why they would have a tent here, but yeah. Well, guess we are just going to now go back to the village centre and I will show you the next location. Right guys, we have arrived to the Skelmorlie fishing area. So as you can see, nobody's here at the moment. There is somebody all the way up there doing a bit of golf, because the golf course is still up here. There's still a bit up here, and then the golf, well actually golf course that I was vlogging earlier on is all the way down there. So this actually reminds me when I was in Kilmacombe and I was doing a bit of fishing, and it is quite deep. Not pretty sure. I mean, here it looks shallow, but maybe like in the middle there it'll look deep. So yep, this also reminds me, and they actually don't need to pay, which is quite surprising. Let me show you what it looks like just up there. I don't know what this is used for, but can't even move it. Yeah, so as you can see, you've just got the golf here, and then you can actually see such a beautiful view from here. Look at that. Let me zoom in for you. Look, you can see the ferry all the way down there, and just look at the water. And actually down there is Weems Bay, as I've said like 2 or 3 times already. Yeah, so it's quite nice over here. It is windy of course, but it's alright, I guess. If I didn't bring my rods today, I would have maybe done a bit of fishing for you guys, but didn't think I would need it much, but yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna go all the way back down, and I'll see you when we get there. Right guys, here we are, and we've arrived to the Skelmorlie Park. So as you can see, we've just got a lot of random stuff over here. Then after, we've got the skate park over there. Actually, we've got a basketball court as well, which is good. So we go out here. And after, we've just got a football pitch over here, which really does not look like new at all. All that rust on it. And I don't think anyone plays football here. But then after here, we've got a mini football park. So yeah, that's the park for you. So I could sit here for a wee while. There is actually a shop nearby that I might go to later on, so I'll take a wee break and then I'll get back to you guys. And I'm actually pretty sure this is the community centre, and next to it is like the park, etc, like that. So that explains why the park and the community centre is next to each other. Kind of like that. But yeah, so we're going to move on to our next destination, and I will see you soon. Right guys, we have arrived to the Skelmorlie Community Fire Station. So as you can see, it does actually look quite small, and I thought I'd just show you it because this is actually the last thing I can show you. There isn't really much to do in this village. It's quite small, so I'll just show you around it and then I will wrap up the video there. So as you can see, you've got this, but then yeah, it's quite small, and it does look like it's not really going to be a thing any soon, so I might get like broken down or something like that, and then they'll build it somewhere else. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah guys, that is the end of the video. I really hope you have enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure to like the video if you like the video, comment if you want to say something about the video, and most importantly guys, you need to click that subscribe button, as you will follow my adventure around Scotland, follow the adventure around Scotland. And also guys, make sure you are subscribed, because I have realised most people who are watching my videos are not subscribed to the channel. So what are you waiting for guys? Just click that subscribe button, make it grey, put the notification bell on to make it even better. And yeah guys, I will see you later. Goodbye everyone.
Just like him, just sub him, it's Yahia Charm 21.